So, have we heard the sound of hell? In fact, our first experience with the so called sounds of hell was at the Kola super deep hole in Russia, where a digging project into the earth ended up listening to hell like sounds, a lot of souls crying out. And this ended up the project. The Kola Super Deep Hole project did not proceed further. But now NASA has released a sonification video. Means in space normally sounds can't be heard because there is no air. For sound to travel you need air. Sound cannot travel in a vacuum. But then NASA uses a technique called sonification to listen to sounds in vacuum. So using this technique, NASA was listening to the sound of a particular nebula. A nebula is actually what is formed during the birth and death of large stars. So this particular nebula was a ring-shaped nebula, around 600 light years away from our galaxy. So NASA heard distinctive sounds of thousands of souls crying out. The funny part of this is most of these sounds are those of women. It looks as if more women land up in hell. In fact, this is now second time that the so-called sounds of hell has been heard. First at the super deep hole at Kola in Russia, and now in a nebula around 650 light years away from our galaxy. So strange things are happening, and no one can predict where further research would lead us to. But one thing is sure, as science progresses further, many of the things that you find in religious books are coming true. So we can actually look forward to listen to more sounds of hell and hopefully sounds of heaven, maybe in a near future date. Thank you very much.